Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Code Godyo. So this time I am going to continue my discussion about set theory. So this time I am going to declare a two sets. So right here, I will have my set A. So I'm just going to explicitly manipulate integer values. So I have here integer values there. So this time my set is or my set A is no longer going to accept any value except for integer values. So I will also have declare another set. Let's say this is B. Okay. So now I am going to uh, the first thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to create an array list or array. So let's make use of array. So this time I'm just going to call wrapper class or reference class in Java. So let's say I have here integer. Let's say set A is equals to there. I'll be assigning this to, let's say, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, and let's say 12. Okay, so I will also declare another set for my B. So I'll declare here set B. So this time I'm going to declare here 2, let's say 4, 4, 5, 10, 11, and 15. All right, so I have two sets now. We have here two sets in an array of integer type, so A and B respectively. Now this time, I am going to invoke union set in Java. So we will need to declare another set for this one. So let's say we have, let's invoke union. So we have union. Okay, and then so this time we'll have to uh, bind first the this set A to this set A to an integer set A by how are we going to do that? So in Java it is really complicated as it is, but it's a little bit faster according to some of the programmers or some of the developers. Okay, because for some reasons. Okay. Uh, Now, let's go and head directly to our program. So from here, you'll have to do add all. So add all, and then uh, let's say add all, and then you have this one. By the way, add all B. This is going to give you a value that which is if it's successfully if it's successfully what they call this one added or not. So we can actually put this into a right here system that print line there. So let's have here because we don't have any value. Yeah, so whenever wala pa ta nag-bind to the value of A. Yeah, okay. So what we are going to do for this time, so let's have here A that okay add all. Sorry, add all, and then let's make use of arrays that as list. So this time we are going to add the uh, integer list which are in set A. Okay, and then after that one we'll have here, let's say there. So we can actually put this one right here, there. So uh, as list set B. Sorry. So let's have here A. All right. So we already have populated the what happened? So yeah, we already have populated the elements of set A to our set object A. So if you're going to, let's say, put here the B, so basically uh, B is an empty list still. Okay, so this time we're going to also bind, okay, B. All right, so B that add all. All right, so this time we are also going to use arrays that as list, and then let's have here set B there, and then after that let's have here, okay, so we have now populated already the list or the integer elements to our array. So we have here um, the elements of set A are already stored to our set A. The same with our set B here. So now the next thing that we will do is we are going to combine this one to, let's say, set union, and then let's have here A. Okay. So this time the union has it has the A elements. Okay. And then after that, if so the only way for us to unite and combine both elements of these two sets, we'll need to do add all. So this time you'll have here array add all, let's say B. So you are going to combine the A and B. Okay, so this time let's have here the union. Okay, union of two sets, union of two sets A and B. So you have here union. Okay, so let's run our program. As you can see, we have here the union of two sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 12, and 15. Now, in the case of there is repeated element, let's see if this is omitted and not included. Yes, so it's not included in your in as the I mean as it is displayed, because automatically it is actually uh, removed from there in the as it is stored in the A. So the moment it is combined with set B, so of course it has to guarantee that 7 is only going to be displayed once. So mm, if you're going to ask me about sir, what if I am just going to like do union of two sets A, add all B, something like that. Can I do that, sir? So this is you can do that, but this is only going to display you true. So meaning this is what I meant earlier, that when you execute that particular statement, this is going to give you true, means that the the union of two sets are actually successful. Okay, so now that you have already added A to add all B, your next question would now probably be this one. So since we already add uh, all sets of B to A, would it be the case now that the A now is updated, its has updated its values? Yes, you can also do that. Okay, so I mean you don't have to declare another set for your A just for you to do a union of set. All you just need to do is call directly add all. So this is just an idea that you can declare another object. Let's say it's union set for the purpose of uh, uh, what they call this one, for the purpose of the A is not going to be changed, it's not going to change its elements as in the entire in our entire program, rather, because we are going to use them in our for intersection. So that is why we don't have to, we are not going to do this one, or let's not invoke this one to retain the value of A. So A would have always this one and B would have always this one. Now, what about if we are going to do intersection of two sets? So let's have a separate object for intersection of two sets. We have here, let's say, intersect, and then let's have here A, B. So in Java, you will need to use retain. So by the way, what's retain? Uh, if you want to know what's retain, what retain is all about, so retain retains only the elements in the set that are contained in the specified collection. So basically, it's the intersection set. It's actually implying intersection set. The only thing that intersect, or the only elements that are common to both sets. Okay. So this time, let's have here intersect. So yeah, we lack one. Okay. So if we are going to display this right here, so you have here intersection of two sets. Okay, A and B. So this time we're gonna be using intersect. So there, um, you have among all in our, based on our two sets A and B. So the only elements that our set A and B has in common are 5 and 10. Okay, that's how you invoke or implement intersect as intersection of two sets in Java. Okay, another one, let's say we are going to have difference. So let's have here, let's say def. Okay, then this time we're going to do here def that difference that remove all. So this time, the remove all is it removes the from this set of its elements that are contained in the specified collection. So and then it's only going to display the elements in A that are not in B. So meaning to say, the only remaining elements that are not in B are the only thing that is displayed in our program. So because that's difference, right? So if you have here, let's say we have here 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, and 12, and then the display would be among all, since we have here 5 and 10 as the elements. So the display for the difference is 1, 3, 7, and 12. Okay, so we have here remove all from B. Okay, and then let's have here sys out, and then let's have here def. Okay, so 1, 3, 10, 7, and 12. So 1, 3, 7, and 12. So yeah, there, that's how you implement sets or set theory in Java. So union, intersect, and difference. So by the way, you can use the plugin or an external jar file or Java archive, which is called as Java, to uh, use really proper name like union, intersect. So it's actually available via online. But again, by using built-in functions in Java, we can actually uh, use any of this one. I mean, you can actually use or implement this one using the built-in functions in Java. But then again, you can make use of Java plugin or jar file. It's kasi it's an external plugin in Java, so you will need to download it from the internet, and that's actually originally from Google, I guess. Okay, so you can type Guava. Okay, guava sets, something like that. Now, I guess that would be all for now. So thank you guys for watching this video. And in the next tutorial that I am going to make is we are going to create our own sets from scratch. Okay, so I guess that would be all. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.